Have you ever met a girl that you tried to date, but a year to make love, she wanted you to wait? Let me tell you a story of my situation. I was talking to this girl from the US nation. The way I met her was on a tour at a concert. She had long hair and a short miniskirt. I just got on stage, dripping, pouring with sweat. I was walking through the crowd, and guess who I met? I whispered in her ear, "Come to the picture booth so I can ask you some questions to see if you're 100 proof." I asked her her name. She said blah blah blah. She had 910 pants and a very big bra. I took a couple of flicks and she was enthused. I said, "How'd you like the show?" She said I was very amused. I started throwing bass. She started throwing back mid-range. But when I sprung the question, she acted kind of strange. Then when I asked, "Do you have a man?" she tried to pretend. She said, "No, I don't. I only have a friend." Come on. I'm not even going for it. This is what I'm gonna sing. You got what I need. But you say he's just a friend. And you say he's just a friend. Oh, baby. So I took blah blah's word for it at this time. I thought just having a friend couldn't be no crime, 'cause I've had friends and that's a fact, like Agnes, Agatha, Jermaine, and Jack. Forget about that. Let's go into the story about a girl named blah 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 that adored me. So we started talking, getting familiar, spending a lot of time so we can build up a relationship or some understanding. How's it gonna be in the future? We was planning. Everything sounded so dandy and sweet. I had no idea I was in for a treat. After this was established, everything was cool. The tour was over and I went back to school. I called her every day to see how she was doing. Every time that I called her, it seemed something was brewing. I called her on my dime, picked up, and then I called her again. I said, "Yo, who was that?" "Oh, he's just a friend." Don't give me that. Don't ever give me that. Just bust this. You got what I need. But you say he's just a friend. And you say he's just a friend. Oh, baby. So I came to her college on a surprise visit to see my girl that was so exquisite. It was a school day. I knew she was there. The first semester of the school year, I went to the gate and asked where was her dorm. This guy made me fill out a visitor's form. He told me where it was, and I was on my way to see my baby doll. I was happy to say. I arrived in front of the dormitory. "Yo, could you tell me where is door 3? They showed me where it was. For the moment, I didn't know I was in for such an event. So I came to her room and opened the door. Oh snap, guess what I saw? A fella, tongue kissing my girl in the mouth. I was so in shock, my heart went down south. So please listen to the message that I say. Don't ever talk to a girl who says she just has a friend.